The first shade that we're going to use is this beautiful nude tannish transition shade right here. The next shade that we're going to use is this beautiful dark brown. And that's just going on the crease area and the upper portion of the eye. And that brown is very, very pigmented. Beautiful brown. The next shade that I'm going to be using is this beautiful shimmer shade. It's like a champagne type color, but very, very beautiful. And I'm just going to use my finger and I'm taking that all over the lid. The next shade that I'm going to be using is this gold. And I'm just going to take just a little bit of that and put that in the middle of the lid. I'm also using my finger for that as well. Now I want to do a very faint wing and line on the upper lid, just to kind of add some balance and depth. Now I'm going to go back into that deep dark brown and I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. And now, over the top of that dark brown shadow on the lower lash line, I want to add some of this, I guess it's like a teal green, but it has a little shift to it, like a blue-brown shift. And I'm going to add that over the brown, mostly in the middle, all the way towards the inner corner. So pretty. Love this color. I think that might look even better with a wet brush. So let's see what I can do. Let's see. Will that intensify it? Just a little something for it, but it's still pretty. Now I want to go back into the gold shade and add that to my inner corner. No, I didn't know I was this into gold shadows until I see like really pretty gold shadows. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I'll tell you, every gold shadow is different. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches, and I'm going to show you the shades in the order that I used them. Here's the transition shade, the dark brown shade, the champagne color, the gold, and the duochrome color. So this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comment area below if you have used a Natasha Denona palette of any kind, whether it's the mini or the full-size palettes that she has. I want to let you know that I really like this palette. I think the only two shades that were lightly pigmented were these two. And actually, I take that back. The only shade that I think I really feel like I need to play around with is this duochrome shade right here. It's beautiful, but I might have to use a spray with this one just to see if it brings a little bit more of the color shift or vibrancy to the color. But it's a beautiful color. I mean, if you look at it on my hand, it's really pretty. And maybe I should have chosen to use that on my lid instead of the lower lash line. I was trying to do something different with it because it was really the only pop of color in this. So I thought, I'm gonna just go ahead and use this on my lower lash line and, you know, see what happens. So anyway, I will play around with this a little more. I am thrilled with the shimmer shades here. The gold, you know how I feel about gold. The champagne color is beautiful. And of course, the dark brown is very pigmented. I'm not sure how I feel with the blending of this, but I think I need to change out my brushes and maybe try again with this color. It didn't blend as smoothly as I liked, but all in all, it is a very pigmented color that I do need to play around with. So anyway, let me know your thoughts if you actually have this particular palette. And if you know any tricks of using this a little better, especially with the color shifting color, let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Take care. Bye-bye.